Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a flat to positive note as investors await the RBI credit policy announcement, along with key US jobs data that could provide insights into the US Fed Reserve's future interest rate decisions. The RBI is anticipated to cut interest rates by 25 basis points, a move that would be first since May 2020 under the new governor. Overall, the focus will be on the RBI's commentary, especially after the finance minister's growth-oriented union budget last week. The RBI's outlook on GDP growth, inflation forecast, and focus on bank credit growth and liquidity in the banking system will be closely watched. To start with our first segment for Friday, 7 February 2025, Nifty Index opened positive near 23,770 marks, but lack of follow-up buying at the higher levels kept the upside limited. Index has moved lower gradually throughout the day and closed with losses of around 92 points. In the last half an hour, some buying interest was seen from the support zones as Index managed to close above 23,600 zones. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower lows, lower highs from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by around 0.6% to 14.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased to 0.95. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,000 to 24,000 marks, while immediate range is in between 23,400 to 23,800. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,550 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2722 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 16.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,500 for an up move towards 23,900, while support can be seen at 23,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 50,150 for the next up move towards 51,000 marks, while support can be seen at 49,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Zydus Life, Metropolis, Alchem Labs, Cipla, Naukri, HDFC Bank, and Laurus Labs. While some weakness could be seen in Trend, Lodha, Jubilant FruitWorks, Voltas, ITC, and ICICI Lombard. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.